Hi, have you ever wondered what indices is all about? Do you think indices is all about multiplication of numbers? Well, you are about to find out. Hi everyone and welcome back to the Elevators Educare. You're up for quick premium educational content where we simplify the toughest concept for you. If you want to keep making learning easy, make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Now let's dive into today's lesson. Today we'll be discussing about indices. What is indices? Indices is the plural of the word index. Indices is the plural of the word index. And what does that mean? Very simple. If you have something like 2 raised to power 3, there is a general misunderstanding about indices that student thinks that 2 raised to power 3 is 2 times 3. This is a very wrong expression. Are you seeing that? This is a wrong expression. 2 raised to power 3 actually means 2 in 3 places. That is 2 times 2 times 2, which will give us what? 8. Do you understand that now? So this is the correct way of expressing number in terms of power. Are you seeing? So we have 2 raised to power 3, which means 2 in 3 places, not 2 times 3. So when you have something like 2 raised to power 3, this 3 is called the power. Now, instead of calling it power, some can decide to call it index. You can decide to call it index. And you can also decide to call it exponent. You can decide to call it exponent. Do you get that now? So you can call it power, index, or exponent. So let's quickly express some things. If I have let's say I have 3 raised to power 2. Do you think 3 raised to power 2 means 3 times 2? I'm sure you know this is a wrong expression now. This is a wrong expression, right? 3 raised to power 2 actually means 3 in 2 places, which is 3 times 3. Do you get that now? And this is what? 9. Sorry, this is 6 here, not 9. This is 6. This is a very wrong expression here, and this is the correct way of expressing these digits. Now you may be asking yourself, what if I now have something like 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2? You see this expression now, 1 2 3 4 5. This means 2 in what? In 5 places. Do you get that now? So rather than writing 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, just write it as what? As 2 raised to the power of what? 5, which will give us what? 32. If you go backward, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. Do you get that now? Now let's see some other expression. What if I have something like 2 raised to the power of 3 times 3 raised to the power of 2. Now this is where it gets interesting. So here now you would have to express this as 2 times 2 times 2, then big multiplication sign, then 3 times 3. Do you get that now? That is how we express numbers in terms of what? Indices. So this will give us 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, then multiply by 3 times 3, which will give us what? 9. Are you seeing that now? 3 times 3 will give us what? 9. And then we are going to add the last set, which is what? Now multiplying 8 by 9, which will give us what? 72. That means the expression 2 raised to the power of 3 times 3 raised to the power of 2 will give us what? 72. Do you get that now? Now before we wrap up, let me give you something to talk about, to think about. What do you think the answer for this is? 4 raised to the power of 3. Write the expression for 4 raised to the power of 3 in the comment section and tell me what the answer for something like 5 raised to the power of 2 times 2 raised to the power of 2 times 3 raised to the power of 3. Tell us what the answer of this question will be in the comment section. Now you may be thinking, oh, do I have to express every indices in this form? No, you don't have to. And that is where our next topic comes in, where I'm going to be discussing about the laws of indices. Are you seeing that? So I'll be talking about the laws of indices in the next video. So make sure you subscribe, like and share this video, and turn on the notification so that you'll be notified when the video is being uploaded. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe and share with a friend. My name is Colossus, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.